Today, during your phonics word study activity, you broke words into syllables. For your practice, you're going to play a lotto type game. You're going to choose a card which shows the numbers 1 through 4. Then you're going to find a word on the game card with the same number of syllables on it as the number shown on your card. Let's look. So here are the cards that have the numbers 1, 2, 3, or 4. You will choose one of those, and then you will drag an X to a word, for instance, that has 3 syllables. So if my first card is 3, I need to find a word in this list that has 3 syllables. I know already has 3. A-L, R-E-A-D, and Y is its own syllable. So I'm going to drag an X to that, and then I will move this card out of the way. And now I'm looking for another 3-syllable word. You will continue playing until you make a match.